It's Godzilla Torino, and we brought out the race car to a fancy car show in Cameron Park, California. They're calling this Thunder at the Park. This is a lake out here in the background, and really nice turnout. You know, Godzilla is way louder and faster than most of these cars, but there's some beautiful cars out here, and it's like a mix of everything. You know, Chrysler, Chevrolet, you know, Fords. We even got a couple AMCs out here, and a couple imports. This is a really nice show. So, okay, got a nice Skylark there, and we got this guy here. This guy here has got a Chevelle with a blower, and it's tubbed and beautiful, but he's never raced it, I can tell, because there's no rubber on the quarter bounce. But the paint is beautiful, if you like that sort of thing. And we got tons of street rods, and we got a Chevelle's Super Sport 427. That's a beautiful car. We got more Corvettes than you could shake a stick at. And more street rods. Look at this. Nice little flame job on this one. Nice flame job. Look at the tunnel ram. And we got this guy. He's blown. He's blown. I don't know. A blown motor with those little tires? I don't think so. We got like a little Z28. And oh, look at that. Look at that guy down there. Woo. A lot of beautiful cars. So let's walk over here. Okay. Nobody cares about the Acura. But check this out. Oh. All right. A nice little El Camino. I like the Fords. Little Ford truck here. Look at that. That's some street rod tires there. Okay. More rods. Another nice Elko. Okay. This is just going to be a little quickie. Show you guys all these. Oh, look at that. Thunderbird. Right. Here's one of the few imports for this little Thunder in the Park. Okay. There's the guy trying to sell everybody insurance. Okay. This is a cool little Willys. This guy's a blacksmith, so show him your little. Here we go. Nice, crazy hood ornament. Oh. There you go. Nice hood ornament. I like the Willys too. Okay. This is a 400 horse motor in this Willys. Nice. That sounds good. Oh, and this one here. I love this car. Okay, so this is a 1950 Ford. Love the flathead V8, and I love the patina, the clear coated patina. It's nice, and I like the original graphics for the radio electronics. Nice. Okay, another street rod. This little Chevy pickup here, and look at this one. I like the paint job on this guy, or the lack thereof of a paint job. Love that. And we got a I think that's like a 71 Ford. So he's got that thing lowered. I don't know what he's got, bags or not. No, looks like he lowered it the old-fashioned way. And we got a custom 61 Corvette. Yeah. Nice. Is that a Buick? Nice Buick. This guy, he's not showing the motor though, so maybe there's something up with it. Okay, I got the 61 Corvette Custom, and there was a 62 Corvette. He must have left, got bored. And there was a... Okay, so we got a nice little rod here. He's got actual Ford motor in this thing, so that's kind of special. And, we got this Coronet convertible, and guess this guy has the same last name as myself, and we actually had a little snafu where tags got mixed up with it. But he pronounces his name Phelan versus Phelan. So, wow, this guy's got a little Honda. Oh, another sacrilegious rod. Got a custom truck. It's kind of cool. A lot of stuff on there. A lot of moving parts. I do like the quick fuel carburetor. And that's okay. I would show you guys every single car, but there's too many to do like a thing. Oh, look at the T-Bird with the little drive-through dealio. Makes me kind of hungry. Okay, all right. Now we're just headed back to the Godzilla. Right. This little 427 Chevrolet. Back to Godzilla. Okay, back where we started. That's the rest of the show. You got your VW camper bus. This is a really cool show. Got a lot of different stuff here. I especially like the no airbags. We die like real men. More patina. Wow. They took the patina serious with this one. That's like the dirtiest motor I've ever seen at a car show. Wow. Wow. Okay. Now, this one's got my vote for best tubbed street. Glory Days Fair Lane. Yes, exactly. That's why I ran over here. So we got the Jerry Reed song playing in the background, and this Bandit Trans Am is pretty much perfect. So if you were a kid in the 70s, this was the car. Bound it down, load it up in the truck. Some reason, long way to go. that was a great show. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel. This was our first car show, and it was amazing. We didn't win any awards because, you know, the car's a race car, whatever. But everybody loved the car. Kids loved the car. Even chicks dug the car. And we're going to go to more car shows because it's a lot funner than breaking shit. So, see you again. Subscribe!